take a look at this. These AI videos, these cinematic shots, and these ultra-realistic images. None of this was made with VEO3, and I didn't use any expensive paid tools either. No subscriptions, no hidden upgrades, no premium-only features locked behind a paywall. I know how frustrating it is. You finally find a free AI tool, spend time creating something amazing, and then suddenly, Watermark, or you're asked to upgrade. I've been there too. That's why today I'm showing you 2 powerful AI tools that let you create videos and images for free. And even if you run into a watermark, I'll show you exactly how to remove it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to use and how to use it without wasting your money. Let's get into it.
All right, so the first website is called Hunhuian Video. Now, yes, it's a Chinese platform, but don't worry, it's super easy to use. As soon as you open the website, just go to the top right corner and click the English button to translate everything. Once you do that, you'll see several different options on the homepage. Go ahead and click on Try It Now. It will redirect you to the main platform. Now when the page loads, you might still see some sections in Chinese, but don't stress. Just click the Mail button. After that, you'll be asked to enter your email. Type in your email address, click on the Code button, and you'll receive a verification code in your inbox. Enter the code, and you're logged in. Once you're inside, you'll see an interface that looks like this. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, don't feel overwhelmed by the interface. It might look a little different at first, but it's actually very simple. The first option you're seeing here is for video generation. This is where you'll type your prompt, just describe the video scene you want to create. Be specific. The more detail you give, the better your results will look. Right below that, you can choose the orientation, vertical for shorts and reels, or horizontal for YouTube videos. Once everything looks good, click the Send button, and within seconds, your AI video will start generating. And honestly, the quality is impressive for a free tool. Now here's where it gets even better. On this website, you can also turn images into videos. Yes, you can literally upload a static image and convert it into a dynamic AI video. It also has a lip sync feature, so you can animate faces and make them speak. And if you're running a business, you can even upload your product image and generate AI-powered video ads, which is honestly insane for a free platform. Now, if you'd like me to create a full, detailed tutorial breaking down every single feature step by step, just comment "detailed" below, and I'll make a complete, in-depth video on it. Now let's move on to the second website, Grok Imagine. With this one, you can generate both AI images and AI videos. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see a prompt box right in front of you. This is where you'll enter your prompt. Just describe what you want to create. Next, choose whether you want to generate an image or a video. You can also select the orientation, vertical or horizontal, depending on your content. If you're creating a video, you even have the option to upload your own custom image and turn it into a fully generated AI video. Once everything is set, click the Send button. Your video will start generating almost instantly. And yes, you can download the final video with sound included. Super simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more powerful AI tools. And comment "detail" if you want a complete step-by-step breakdown of the first website.